Hey, welcome back to another video. I am actually on vacation this week, so I plan on putting out a lot of videos to help you with your English language learning. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, maybe ring that bell so you'll never miss a video that I put out. I try to put out at least one a day, but maybe during this vacation, I'll be putting out 2 a day. I also have an Instagram and sometimes I post on that. So I'll put a link to the Instagram in the subscription. Also, if you're watching before February 21st, 2020, don't forget, check out the video. I have a link up there to enter a contest. If you want to sit down and talk with me either through audio only or through video, we can do a half-hour tutoring conversation kind of thing in slow English at whatever speed you would like. So enter to win that. And the video on why American English is better than British English has been very popular. Thank you so much. I've been hearing from a lot of you. Nobody has said anything negative. So I honestly believe that I was just saying out loud what a lot of us were thinking. American English is better than British English. So I made a video on 6 very common idioms in American English. And Gabrielle from Italy posted on there that one of the ones I mentioned, your guess is as good as mine, is pretty much like in Italian when you say bello domanda. Good question, good question. So that made me think we have a ton of ways in English to say pretty much the same thing. And good question is one of those. So what I want to do today is give you a chance to, instead of saying, I don't know, sound more like a native English speaker by mixing it up a little bit. And all 5 of these expressions are 2 words. So that's all you have to remember is 2 words. So when someone asks you a question that you literally don't know the answer to, instead of saying, I don't know, let's take a look at these 5 other things you can say, short but effective. All right, these are gonna come quick because they're pretty easy. They're pretty easy. Number 1, just like the Italian bello domanda, good question. Somebody asks you something you don't know, good question. And a lot of times, in the United States at least, I think maybe Europe too, we often give like a shoulder shrug and we put our palm up to indicate we don't know. Like, oh, good question. Good question. Number 2, again, 2 words here. Beats me. Beats me. And that's not rude or anything, but if somebody asks you a question, beats me. Beats me. Beats me. I don't know where that comes from. It's really not that important. You just have to know how to say it. That beats me. And I think it means that, like, if you have gotten the best of somebody, like, they don't know what to do. So I think we've, over the years, just have kind of made it shorter to beats me. So you can say that if you don't know the answer to something, beats me. It's short, it's quick, but it's effective, and you'll sound like a native English speaker. Number 3, got me. Got me. G-O-T, me. Got me. Someone asks you a question you don't know, instead of saying I don't know, got me. Number 4, 2 words. 2 words. Try to keep it simple. Not sure. Not sure. Super quick, super easy. It's not I don't know. Not sure. Not sure. Give a shoulder shrug. Not sure. Not sure. It may sound like it's just like too quick, too abrupt, but I promise it's not rude at all. It just shows that you are comfortable with the language and you're not sure. Last one, still. 2 words, just 2 words. No idea. No idea. Super short. I mean, you could almost maybe call these idioms because they don't literally translate, but they're going to be super effective, super easy to remember so that you can sound like a native. So, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, subscribed. Like I said in the intro, I'll be coming out with lots of content this week and enter that contest. Thanks for watching.